Good morning, everybody. I trust that your day and the day ahead of you will be blessed and excellent, and that everything you look for, everything you need, will manifest itself in your experience. This morning, I felt the need, the impulse, if you will, being led to talk to you or to share with you a few points about the infinite nature of our being. The first point comes from uh, a book by Joel Goldsmith, and the title of the book is called Practicing the Presence of God. And it reads like this: God is the creative principle, the source, the activity, and the law of our being. And our being is God in expression or manifestation. We as individuals receive our life, law, cause, substance, reality, and continuity from the infinite invisible. In the Bhagavad Gita, and this is the second point here that I'd like to share with you this morning, he says here, I am the life of all that lives. And in another place in the Bhagavad Gita, excuse me, it is early. I am the generating seed of all existences. There is no being, moving or non-moving, that can exist without me. That's coming from the Bhagavad Gita. And Ernest Holmes reminds us in his book, The Science of Mind 365, it's a daily reading. He says, when we know that there is but one spirit in the entire universe, we shall know that there is but one source for all forms. We shall know that every form is some manifestation of this source. Again, the Bible reminds us in the King James version of the Bible, the book of Job, chapter 33, that it is the breath of the Almighty that has given us life. This is the infinite nature of our being. This is the infinity of who we are. This morning, let us, if you will, marinate. Let us absorb, if you will, like a sponge, these particular statements, statements of truth, because we are infinite. Again, St. John chapter 10 tells us that I and the Father are one. Today, let the secret of life, that oneness, be the leading guide for you today and instruct you today. I pray that you be blessed. Pray that you be whole and be in peace. Namaste.